Eka Rev Arslapiane, our EPCSA online family, na the Bramfontein Youth Fellowship, naza kumshota hinkwenu. Alonga imala Taus Lapiane, itaka fambisana ka siku ra namuntlha. Mtanikhomela na mkhuhlwanyana, but hopefully our wonderful service ya Hymns on Friday ita ya famba kahle. So eka nkarhi wa sweswi ndaza ku vitana sisi Ntsakisi wata yi amukela. Inkomu.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ntsakisi Nkwashu, and I'm here with the EPCSA Bramfontein Youth Fellowship, and we'll be joining you this evening for Hymns on Friday with Bramfontein Youth. Thank you. Oh, yes,
Now listen. Welcome to Hymns on Friday. Namuta nimkomele Hymns on Friday na EPCSA Bramfontein Youth Fellowship. You can hear for yourselves, the voice tikona lawan. And we're just there to worship with you. Ka Friday ofana sukura namuta. But before we get to that, we just want to understand what is it that makes Youth Bramfontein yembelela indlela le? Why do they love music indlela le one? So, itakuma munhu un'we atatamhlamulela atamrepresenta ka majambe sikura namuntlha kuri hikwalaho ka yini mi yimbelela indlela leyiwani, and why do you love singing indlela leyiwani? Yes, so EPCSA Bramfontein Youth.
Yes.
You are a very beautiful group. Naloko mi yimbelela swa nandiha swa tsakisa. But I just want to know from you kuri why mi yimbele incini motivate to sing mi yimbelela na tintsumi ti xika hi le matilweni?
All right. No, thank you very much, Mfundisi. So if it's one thing that I want to start with, in the Holy Bible, it speaks about using or rather singing as a sign of worship. So I think that is one of the things as us, the Bramfontein Youth Fellowship, we take into serious consideration that not only are we singing, but also we are worshiping God at the same time. It is us putting whatever we may be going through, we're putting that aside and to say this is the time for us to be thanking God for where He has put us and for where we are by us using the voices that He has given us. You know, also just to quote in the Bible, it says when Moses had just passed the Red Sea,
Yeah.
he sang and gave thanks to the Lord. So I think that is also something that us as the Braamfontein Youth Fellowship, we also used to say, no, we are singing to say, thank you, Shkwemsha Matimba, for what you have done for us and for where you have brought us until thus far.
Yes, thank you so much. Now listen, you heard Nashilungu Shkona, ababilela bakushilunga Shkona. The English is there, the English is there. Now listen, we're going to give you hymns of worship. Kasikurana Munta. We'll start with hymn number 5, I Can Send Jehovah, straight from the EPCSA Braamfontein Youth. From there, itaya aka wonanwata hosi Yesu na yona itaba ikhayimtisela ikheso ka Braamfontein Youth. Loko nibuyala tamtshela ku iya kwi. Now listen, let's go.
I can send Jehovah.
Now listen. This is Braamfontein Youth Fellowship. Loko van'wana va swivula va ku vana va dedi. Va ku avuxeni ma Braam. Va ku dedi. Now we're going to give you 2 more hymns. And I got these 2 hymns. They're just trying to say Murisi iwabona and Murisi ilonene. Langa byela vanhu. The second hymn they're going to give you, Bareka Shikumblisha Nyaka, Hiva Wena as Braamfontein Youth Fellowship. So hymn 104, Murisilonene, hymn 141, Nziwa Wena. Ekarim Teka, I got this beautiful worship service with the EPCSA Braamfontein Youth Fellowship. Now listen, this is and this was Braamfontein Youth Fellowship. La ku teka ntirho lowu ni wu tlherisela aka loyi a nga sungula na n'wina. And from me, Reverend R. Silapiane. Now listen, a hi ri ka Hymns on Friday ka siku ra namuntlha na this beautiful youth fellowship. Hey, va ri ni mi byela ku ri this youth fellowship mi rhamba marambiwa ne? Mi rhamba yi ta mi yimbelela mucatwini mikosini, the baby showers and all these things. Va yimbelela ku nandziha ngopfu. N'wina mi nga sungula na ntirho. Ve rivala ku mi byela ku va famba va milela but va mi siya na risimu rin'we ntsena. Va ta mi byela ku hi rihi.
Nvuye nakambe. Nazo cancer kuba mi joinile nakambe for this wonderful service ya Hymns on Friday. Hi ku pfuniwa hi Rev R. Silapiane la. So hi ta teka hymn ya Yesu Mkutsuri eka nkarhi wa sweswi. And then after that, sisi Ntsakisi va ta vuya va ta hi cancela. Inkomu.
Yesu Mukutsuri, Hosi atinzalo, zilaba matimba, matimba ya wena, masiku hinkwawo.
Thank you so much, everyone, for allowing us to grace you with this beautiful, sweet melody. We are Braamfontein Youth Fellowship. Good night.